Hi everyone, welcome to 2020 Holtek online new product presentation. This year we divide our new product into 12 different sections. We will have 4 outstanding speakers to present our products to you. Begin with me, Marvin Chen. I work for Holtek as sales representative. I'm in charge of Korea sales region. Let's start from the first section, 32-bit MCU. 90 years ago, Holtek released the first 32-bit Cortex MCU. Since that time, we have the opportunity to work with the field side engineer. We listen to the market and find out what is marketing really need. And we have set 3 directions for our new development products design guideline. The first direction is improvement. We keep improved our analog IP feature and development tools. Second direction is expansion. We widen our operation voltage and we focus on low voltage and low power design. Third direction is advanced application. We are continuously working on the functionality and the performance enhancement, and we focus on algorithm design. And we keep innovation and widen our product line. Currently, we have N0 Plus product, N3 product, and in the near future, we will have N4 product. As the result, we want our product can cover all kinds of application. Let's talk about our 32-bit product family. First, we have a 5-volt standard MCU. If your system is powered by 5 volt, this product is right for you. You don't need external LDO to step down the voltage for your MCU. The second product is 3.3 volt standard MCU. This MCU is our mainstream product, and you will have a wide solution for your application. And then we have a USB 32-bit Cortex MCU. This product is suitable for USB related products. And this LCD MCU is our brand new series. We will have more time to talk about this product later. And then dedicated MCU. Holtek has hundreds of in-house engineers. We have the ability to make a dedicated MCU for potential project. For example, we can integrate 24-bit ADC and LCD display to make a dedicated MCU for thermometer application, or we can build in H-bridge driver and our touch function together to make a e-door locker dedicated MCU. There are hundreds of combinations waiting for our explore. And then we have advanced MCU. Currently, we have N0 Plus and N3 products. In the near future, we will have N4 products. N4 product for those advanced users require DSP or FPU function. Let's move on to next one. Let's take a look what's new for this year. Let's take a look at the first one, our M0 Plus product. In the past, we can provide the M0 product from flash memory from 32 KB to 128 KB. This year, we add 2 new members. Let's take a look at the comparison between previous product and our latest product. For our latest product, we enlarge the memory size from 128 KB to 256 KB. And we add one interface is a QSPI interface. QSPI is a serial interface that allowing communication between MCU and the external QSPI flash memory. This is quite useful for data-intensive or multimedia application. You are not only expand your memory size, but also you get faster transfer speed. And next one is we increase the operation frequency from 48 MHz to 60 MHz. And we lower the operation voltage start from 1.65 volt to 3.6 volt. and both of them, our product has 12-bit AD converter. Let's move to next one. Talk about the product spec. Our new product has a flash memory from 128 KB and 256 KB. SRAM from 16 KB to 32 KB, and both of them has a IAP in application programming, 12-bit ADC, and 8 pieces of timer. Let's talk about some of the special features. Our new product has a full-speed USB 2.0 and a rich interface. Both of them has a AES and a hardware divider. Both of them support 2-channel 12-bit DAC. It can support up to 500K SPS conversion rate and a 2-channel comparator. Because this is a standard MCU, so the application is huge. Thanks to the USB interface, this product is suitable for gaming keyboard. And thanks to its EBI external bus interface, it is easily to connect with the TFT LCD display. And the robot application. This kind of robot application consists of so many sensor and sensor module. Thanks to our rich interface, our product is no problem and can easily manage robot application. Let's move to the next product, our whole new LCD 32-bit M0 Plus product. Nowadays, the product is more likely to be a standalone computers. It requires better user interface and it will show more information to the user. As a result, the LCD display is getting important for certain applications. For example, blood pressure meter, glucose meter, and distance measurement. Let's take a look what's the spec for our new product. Our LCD M0 Plus product has a high computing power, CRC and hardware divider. And the most important feature is we integrated LCD display. This can drive up to 33 segments and 8 count pixels. Let's talk about the special feature. It has a 16-bit PWM generator and it's integrated ADC and V reference. The V reference is able to provide a stable voltage for the ADC and the comparator. It has a rich interface. And in power down mode, the power consumption can be as low as 4.3 microwatt. Those specs for your reference. Let's talk about the product spec. Our flash memory from 32 KB to 128 KB. SRAM from 4 KB to 16 KB. And for our new product, it supports IAP 12-bit ADC. And for 57342 and 57352, it supports DAC feature. Let's move on to the next one, our M0 Plus 5V USB product. This new product is operated at 60 MHz. And let's see what's the special feature for this product. It has a wide operation voltage from 2.5 volt to 5.5 volt. And it can support up to 30 channel PWM. And the most important feature for this MCU is its integrated serial LED controller. It can support up to 8 channel RGB LED strip. Paired with our PDMA, it can reduce the MCU loading. Let's move on to the next page. Talk about the spec. This MCU has a 64 KB flash memory and 12 KB SRAM. Rich interface, timer, CRC hardware divider, PDMA are all integrated. Let's talk about the application. Because of the USB interface and the SLED controller, so make this product perfect for PC and LED related product. For example, the gaming DRAM module, keyboard, handset, speaker, and fans. Let's move to the next product, our Holtek N3 product. This N3 new product is operated by 72 MHz and it has 6-channel PDMA and it has a rich interface and it also has a AES and a CRC. This can make sure your data's security and correction. Let's move on and talk about the product spec. Our N3 product has a 256 KB flash memory, 128 KB SRAM, IAP, 12-bit ADC, real-time clock are all integrated. Let's talk about the application. Because this has a high operation frequency and a large memory, so this product is suitable for fingerprint product, IoT data converter, and a color LCD display product. Let's move on and talk about our development environment. So all of our 32-bit Holtek products can pass IEC 60730. Our engineer is able to provide a large number of self-test library, and we have an experienced engineer can help you to pass the UL certification. And we also can provide a large number of application notes for your engineer to reduce the time to market. And 1 year ago, Holtek has a contract with the KL compiler company. KL made a Holtek edition NDK for our product. The NDK is able to support our M0 Plus free of charge. For our N3 product, you need to pay small amount of money. You can unlock the support. This is all about our 32-bit MCU product this year. Let's move on to the next product. Now we are talking about our 8-bit MCU product. Holtek has been doing 8-bit MCU business for decades. We keep in line with marketing trend. Year over year, we use advanced wafer process and we try to integrate it as many as external components into the MCU so that our user is able to enjoy reducing the BOM cost to make sure their product has the most competitive price on the market. Let's take a look what's new in this year. This year, we released 3 kinds of products: low peak count ADC MCU, ADC MCU, and advanced ADC MCU. Let's talk about the first one, low pin count ADC MCU. The idea for this product is we use small package, 8 SOP or 3x3 16 QFN. We put rich resources in it. Rich resource means ADC and rich interface, I2C, SPI, and UR. A small package and with UR interface make this product like no other. It's a special selling point for this product. Let's take a look at the detail. This product has an extremely high speed power on reset, 1 millisecond. This is very important for on or frequently product. For example, power tool product or sensor module product. And this product has a SPI, I2C, UR interface. The rich interface make this product is suitable for peripheral MCU or bridge MCU. Let's move on to talk about the product spec. Our product can provide a ROM size from 2K word to 8K word. RAM size from 128 byte to 512 byte. double EEPROM from 32 byte to 512 byte. Except our 66F2030, the other two products support in application programming, and all of them has a V-reference, 12-bit ADC, and a timer. Let's move on and talk about the application. The application is for those products has a small PCB size, but they need rich interface. They need their product has the connectivity to connect Wi-Fi or Bluetooth module. Those applications is suitable for our new product. And because we have 1 millisecond extremely fast power on reset, make this product perfect for power tool and sensor module related product. Let's move on to the next product. It's the ADC MCU. Let's take a look at the comparison first. I think most of you know our 6F0185 is one of our top selling products. For that reason, we decided to make the upgrade version for the product. Let's take a look at what's different. And we widened the operation voltage from 1.8 volt to 5.5 volt. And we increased the number of ADC channel. And we increased the S-con and the S-segment channel. And we add more package available for our new product. On the top of that, in the same package, previous product and the new product are totally pin-to-pin compatible. This is easy for your engineer to replace a new one to the new old one. Let's move on to talk about the product spec. This has a 1% plus minus high accuracy oscillator. And it has a 16 millisecond high speed power on reset. And this has a 1% plus minus integrated reference voltage. And you can use the GPIO to drive LED display directly, or you can use S-con to drive LCD display directly. Let's move on and talk about the product spec. This new product has a 4K word ROM size. This has a 256 byte RAM size, 128 byte double EEPROM. In application programming, real-time clock, comparator, and 12-bit ADC are all integrated. Let's talk about the application. This is a standard product, so the application is huge. For example, the coffee machine and the water heater. And thanks to its fast power on reset, 16 microseconds, this product is also suitable for power tool application. Let's move to the next product. It's our advanced ADC MCU. Let's start talking about the product spec first. This product has a 16-channel 12-bit ADC, and it has a 4-stage adjustable LED driver. And this product has a CRC and a multiplication division unit, making it has a very strong computing compatibility. One of our target application is white good product. For certain country, the white good product require the IEC or UL 60730. Our engineer is able to provide a large number of self-test library, and we have a dedicated engineer is able to help you to get the certification. Let's take a look at the comparison. If we compare to the previous product and our new product, we widened the operation voltage. New product support 1.8 volt to 5.5 volt. Both of products has the same ROM size, 32K word, same RAM size, 3K byte. And we enlarged the double EEPROM to 2K byte for our new product. And our product support IAP, rich interface, V-reference comparator. And one thing I like to highlight, our new product support 3-channel of UART interface. So make this product has a very strong connectivity. It's perfect for controller application for your reference. As I mentioned before, one of our target applications is white good, refrigerator, air conditioner, washing machine, but not limited for the white good product. You can also use this product for those applications require high resource application. This is the end of our 8-bit MCU products. Let's move to the next one, our healthy and measurement product. In the past few years, Holtek got tremendous success for our healthy care project. So many Tier 1 and Tier 2 customers after our healthy care solution. And this year, we decided to go even further. We released our first body composition solution, impedance phase measurement MCU. This MCU is able to capture the resistance, reactance, and the phase angle from your body. The phase angle is considered an indicator of cell member function and health. This is commonly used for the nutritional assessment or the assessment of the risk of the various disease. This is very important for preventive healthy care. Let's take a look at the comparison between the body fat scale and our body composition analyzer. Both of them can measure the body fat, the body weight, and the heart rate. And in our body composition analyzer solution, we can measure the protein, mineral, and the total body water. Let's take a look at how it works. In body fat solution, we use AC current passing through your human body, and then we got the resistance, and then we can calculate the body fat. But in the body composition solution, we use a multi-frequency current to passing through your body and pair with our impedance and phase measurement analog front end. Then we are able to capture the resistance, reactance, and the phase angle. And our end user is able to use those values to generate the report for their guest. Let's move on and talk about our feature. This MCU has integrated sine wave generator. The sine wave generator consists of frequency divider, a counter, RAN, and a 10-bit DA converter. This can provide a sine wave range from 5 kHz to 250 kHz. It's also integrated high quality, highly integrated impedance and phase analog front end. 24-bit AD converter also integrated. You can use the 24-bit ADC connect to load cell and you can get accurate body weight. And all the signal from the analog front end will go through our 24-bit AD converter. The high-resolution AD converter is able to distinguish the tiny signal difference. Let's talk about the product spec. This MCU has a 16K watt ROM size and a 1K byte RAM size, 256 byte WEP ROM. IAP, rich interface, MDU, and the timer are all integrated. The application is very clear. We focus on body composition analyzer, or other countries say it's a BIA, bioelectric impedance analyzer. Those two kind of products are our target application. Let's move to the next product. Our touch product. Touch key is obviously an upper trend for all kinds of application. People like touch key. Touch key not only make your products more stylish and modern. Compared to the conventional key, touch key has no contact point. It means the touch key has a long lifetime, almost forever. Let's take what's new for this year. This year we released one product 4-key touch MCU. Let's take a look at the detail. Holtek has been working on touch solution for 12 years. Currently, we provide a wide range of products from 1 key up to 40 keys. I believe it can cover almost all kinds of applications. This year, we released the compact 4-key touch MCU. The part number is BS83A04C. Let's take a look at the product spec. Our new product has a 1K word ROM size, 128 byte RAM size, and a 32 word WEP-ROM. And it has an I2C interface, and it has a low voltage reset, and one piece of timer. Let's move on and talk about some of the special features. This product supports a wide operation voltage from 1.8 to 5.5. And our new product uses our latest 4.5 generation touch key engine. The unique auto scan function makes our product extremely low power saving. Because of the latest touch engine, it also improved the noise immunity. Under certain conditions, our products can pass the 10-volt dynamic CS test. Let's talk about the application. 4-key touch is enough for almost 60% of application. From wearable device, robot, and small home appliance, 4-key is enough for them. This is our new touch MCU product for this year. So from here, Kwan Shi will take the time from here.